guys, it's Jamie here at Bean Chevrolet. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Keystone Cougar 35-foot bunkhouse trailer. Let me give you the tour. Come check out this awesome bunkhouse with me. It's got a top bunk, easy for storage, but also has a couch and a double bed underneath. We've got a bunk over here with a TV, a play center, and lots of storage back here. In the hallway between the bunkhouse and the living room, we have lots of storage, as well as this awesome bathroom that comes with a tub, a shower, a toilet, but the best part is it has a door to the outside, so you don't have to track in all the dirt from your campsite. Here we have this awesome U-shaped dinette. It sits loads of people. It's great for those rainy day card games, but it also changes into a queen size bed. In the living area, we have an awesome entertainment unit that comes with a DVD player as well as a radio with speakers throughout the living area. We've got a couch that turns into a double bed, as well as it's adjacent to the kitchen for all of your movie snacks. Here in the kitchen, we've got everything you need, from the microwave to the stove, plus a fridge and freezer, with loads of storage space and a massive sink. In the master bedroom, we've got loads of storage above the bed. It comes with a queen bed, but my favorite part is the laundry hamper to get rid of all of your stinky socks and laundry. It takes it outside to the outside storage. This trailer comes with a massive outdoor kitchen for all of your needs. It's got the fridge, lots of storage, counter space, a sink, and a stovetop. 2013 Keystone Cougar is ready for all your family's needs. With a large outdoor kitchen, a bathroom, the bunkhouse, and a private master, call us at Bean Chevrolet, 613-257-2432 or beancars.ca.